The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Janesville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Clinton, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, LaGrange, Hebron, Tiffany, Hanover, Buffalo, Avalon, Chapir, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.